second someone in this country has a heart attack. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in our country. But today, there is news from the American Heart Association's annual meeting about a particular form of fish oil that could help prevent heart attacks and strokes. Here's our medical correspondent, Dr. John Torres.
After Dr. Mark Polner suffered a heart attack more than 20 years ago, preventing another became a priority.
It's the key to life. I mean, if you don't have a good heart, it limits your whole lifestyle.
Now, a new study presented today at the American Heart Association's annual meeting and published in the New England Journal of Medicine is finding that a prescription drug made of pure fish oil could significantly reduce the risk of a heart attack.
I think it's the biggest development in cardiovascular prevention since statins were introduced.
Researchers looked at more than 8,000 patients who had elevated levels of fat in the blood called triglycerides and were taking the statin to lower cholesterol. They found those who also took the daily prescription fish oil drug called Vascepa lowered the risk of having a cardiovascular event by 25%. The risk of death dropped 20%.
I think that this trial and its findings hopefully will be immediately practice-changing and useful for patients, but beyond that, I think will spawn a whole line of scientific research trying to figure out how did this drug work.
The drug is FDA approved and costs $278 a month. Side effects include a low risk of internal bleeding. But for Dr. Mark Polner, who's been taking the drug for the last 5 months, he now has more peace of mind.
Hopefully it will keep me going for the next 30 years.
Dr. Torres, is this the fish oil that you can buy in the vitamin section of a bodega or a pharmacy?
No, actually, Jose, it's very different. This actually fish oil here actually ends up having, this does not apply to over-the-counter fish oil supplements. Those contain a different form of fish oil. This capsule does contain omega-3s, but it's highly purified, and it does contain a prescription or require a prescription.
Dr. Torres, thank you very much. We are